What's crack, lads? That's your boy Night Ride 91 back here with another video on the Stunt Grom with the missus and the squad, heading over to Honda open day or launch day, so it's only fitting I bring the Gromski. The Grom can do it all: wheelies, spins, even two up. More like black jixer on a black S1K, and there's gonna be nobody here, bro. Happy to be back on the Gromski. And what's the crack? Oh, just not too bad. Not too bad. Yeah, busy enough actually. I don't know, where do you want to park? I don't mind. S1K, just nice bikes, bro. There really isn't any space, but sure we can line them up now. Look at that turning circle, bro. Nice. Squad. A whole 125 cc's. Wheelies for the boys.
That's gonna be it for this video. There was more content, but as you can see, I left the GoPro in cinematic mode. I promise to do better, but for now, that's gonna be it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you at the next one. Peace.